Hey friends, and welcome back to the fourth layout for Collection Obsession, and I'm using the Indigo and Ivy collection from Pink Paisley right here. It is a project pad. I will have my kit and the playlist of previous layouts that I've done with this project pad. I will have those linked for you guys. And so today I am doing, I don't know if you guys are like me. Sometimes I start working on projects, particularly I have found being a YouTuber and creating content for YouTube, I have found that sometimes I misplace things, which is not uncommon, right? But I found a set of photos and I had thought I scrapped them and I didn't. So the set of photos I'm going to be working with is right under here, but I'm going to be working with this wood grain paper from the project pad. I'm going to be working with this blue paper here. It's going to be a very simple layout only because it is a companion page to something I previously created. So I'm going to use 4 photos. I'm just going to shift this and hopefully it won't be too much glare here, but I'm going to kind of give you the overview before I actually do it. So this is going to be a 4 photo grid. The other one is a 1 pager. It has lots of stuff going on, put it that way. So this one is going to be more of a grid, and then I'm going to have, I think I'm just going to create very simple. It's just going to have flags off to the side using the scraps of pattern paper that I have in here from the collection. These are the other pieces of paper that I still have from the project pad. So let's see what we can do with this. And it might be, I'm thinking it's going to be easy, but you never know. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I am back. I was really interrupted. Let's try this again. So I am bringing you my final layout. You see that I've used just a very simple grid. I was just going to use this navy blue on the wood grain here, but I did end up finding this one that I think will bring some cohesion. I'm going to bring in the other layout that I did because as I told you, this is a companion layout. There's not going to be a whole lot of journaling on here. It's just very simple. So I've used all of the papers are from the project pad that I'm using, and as well as all of the scraps here that I used to make these banners. I've gone ahead and used you'll see this, I'll show you in the previous layout. This is leftover from that. And then I've just gone ahead and I've used the stickers from the sticker sheets here, here, and here. Very simple, everything in here. And then this is the companion. This is the companion layout. Let me make sure that you can see it on the screen. I'm sorry for the shadows. The sun is kind of coming through my little window here. So this is the previous layout that I did. Let me try to stand over here so you don't get as much shadows. And this is when my die cutting machine was packed up. So I actually cut all of these hearts by hand, from the pattern paper. And, so I had this one left over. So I am going to probably put it in my scrapbook, something like this, or I don't know if I'll just leave it like this. I'm not 100% sure, but I had these excess photos. They had gotten misplaced. They had gotten actually packed back in with this particular kit because I can't remember. I completed this I think it was for a challenge. I don't even know when I did it, but it was quite a while ago. So these pictures have been MIA since then. But so yeah, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing the final cut of the layout. Until next time, bye for now. Hey guys, so I am here to do the monthly wrap-up, show you the finished layouts that I completed for the month, and I'm going to show you what I have left over of the things that I brought in to my collection. So as you remember, I started off with this Indigo and Ivy project pad and from Pink Paislee. Just gonna set that off to the side over here. So this is layout number 1. It was a 1-page layout. I will have the playlist for the kit and all of the layouts linked below for you, or at the end card. Not 100%, but you'll be able to access them if you need it. That is the first one. Here is the second layout using a kit. Here is layout number 3. And here is layout number 4. And this one, if you remember, is the companion page to this page, which I did a long time ago, or a while ago. So this is layout number 4. Here are the full sheets of paper that I still have in the project pad. So I have 1 pattern paper. I have 4 solid papers. They're not really, I would say if they're cardstock, I would say they're a little bit thin cardstock. And I'm not going to pull them completely apart because it's going to blind you. I have 2, there were 2 glitter papers as part of this project pad. I have, these are what I have for large scraps. So I have this is from my own stash. So that didn't come in from the project pad. This navy foil I love, and this one. So these are the large pieces of paper. I keep all my small cut aparts and my smaller pieces of scrap paper in these 8.5 by 11 sleeves. And here is what I've got left from the sticker sheet. So I still have a few of these. I've tried to use quite a few of them. I did not use any of the alphas yet. So those are going to go in my stash. If you remember, in terms of paper, I had added this collection in just because of the blues. I did not end up using this, but I am setting it aside to use to bring it forward and use it another time. I'll leave it intact, the paper kit that I put together. I had brought in these 2 thickers probably after my kit share, but they are from, both are thickers. This is the Goodness from Amy Tangerine. This is quite old, from 2012. This is a Dear Lizzie called Treasure in glitter chipboard sticker letters. And these are also from 2012. And then the add-on stuff that I brought into my kit were these washies. So I always do like a little sampling on an index card as part of my kit. I did go through and use up quite a few of these enamel shapes. They're called Brave enamel shapes. So I've got to make some decisions about some of these, that if I think I'm going to use them, or I'll bring them to the crop and just put them on the swap table, which is where I got this in the first place. I did not purchase that one. I used one of the pieces there. I used some of these wood buttons. I didn't end up using any of these puffy hearts or these little chipboards. I think I used one. Oh, maybe I didn't. Nope, I didn't use that. I didn't use this. I didn't use that. And I didn't use this. I didn't use a whole lot of this because I was really trying to stretch my sticker sheet. I did end up using this washi tape, and I think that might be it. I don't think I used that. And that is it, you guys. That is basically my my 4 layouts, and I'm already like super excited and raring to go for the next month. And so I hope that you will come back and join me for the month of November. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that if you're new here, that you will go ahead and subscribe to my channel. There will be more of these videos upcoming. But I just want to take some time and thank you all so much for taking the time to watch the any of my videos, but particularly this this series, just because it is really about using the stuff that we have in our stash, which is really near and dear to my heart, about using up the things that we love. And I absolutely adore this paper collection. All right, until next time, bye for now.